JNS3. I'm doing this one a passive interface. So we all know about in OSPF what is passive interface, why we use passive interface. So passive interface is nothing but passive interface is like to stop the hello packets to discard the neighborship. Whenever the R1 sends hello packet to the R2 to form the neighborship, to form the urgency between the two devices, between the two routers, okay, when we use passive interface, it stops the hello packets because router sends every 30 seconds a hello packet message, right? So let me do the configuration. First of all, I need to configure R1 and assign IP addresses. Okay, let's see. Go to the R1, config terminal, and the interface 0 IP address 82.168.1 255.255.255.0 no shut exit. So let me move to the R2 and assign IP address also here. 150 interface phase 0 IP address 192.168.1.2 subnet mask of /24 is done. No shut okay, exit. So now we configure on both routers and assign IP addresses. Now we form the neighborship by using the OSPF routing protocol. Okay, let us sign on both routers OSPF routing protocol, OSPF 100 network 192.168.1.0. So /24 wildcard mask 0.0.0.255 and area 0. Okay, now exit. I'm taking only one IP addresses for both routers R1 and R2. So that's why exit and configure R2 as well. Okay, router OSPF 100 network 92.168.1.0 to 55.255. Sorry. Here we are taking like wildcard mask, right? So 0.0.0.255 and area 0. So exit. So I'm configured OSPF on both routers. So let's check the neighborship is formed or not. Let's go to the R1. So you can see here, see the neighborship is formed from loading to full. So let me check by using this command show IP OSPF neighbor. See, my neighbor of R1 is R2, right? 1.2. This is BDR. So we know what is DR and BDR. DR is like the highest priority. The election should be formed in the. You know, guys, there is an states, right? OSPF states. You learn about the states, you definitely know what the difference between BDR and BDR. So let's move to the R2 and check as well by using this command, right? Show IP OSPF neighbor. Sorry. Show IP OSPF neighbor. So this is our DR, or the highest priority is R1 192.168.1.1. So now I will show you how to configure passive interface on OSPF to stop the hello packets, right? So let me configure this one, passive interface. Now rotor OSPF 100. So there is a command, guys, for to stop the hello packets on passive interface. Okay, just use this command, passive interface of a interface name. Now exit. You can observe this line. See, my neighborship is down. See, my neighborship is down by the using of passive interface. Now my R1 router is not sent to the hello packets to the R2, and to stop the hello messages by the using of passive interface. So this is the main purpose of why we using passive interface, because after every 30 seconds the router should send the R2 to the hello packets, right? So for this we have used the passive interface. So let me use okay, let me use this command, show IP OSPF neighbor. See, there is no neighborship is formed in between two routers, right? So go to the R2. See, there is line full to down, right? Here also we also check in OSPF neighbor. See, so like this we have to stop the hello packets from R1 to R2 to discard the neighborship. So this is one small topology about how to configure a passive interface on OSPF. So hope this is help it. So thanks for watching. Bye.